Why is self-awareness very important for you as a leader? Many years ago, my number one problem, and sometimes it still shows up, was I always wanted something to be very perfect before I let it go. In fact, when I wrote my first book in 2008, shortly after leaving Shell, believe me, up till 1 hour to when the book was being printed, because I self-published it, I was still making corrections because I thought it was not perfect enough. And I remember adding an entire page. And so it was a nightmare, for the printer and for the guy who did the layout because I kept going back and forth, with this. So that perfectionist tendency stops many leaders, just stops you from putting out good ideas. And then sometimes you hold the ideas until they literally expire because you want it to be perfect. Anyway, that book came out, and surprise, surprise, it became and still is a wonderful sensation today. So you don't always have to wait until it's perfect before you put it out there. Put something out there. First of all, let it assume a life or death of its own. But you never know until you put it out there. So meantime, keep showing up because you never know what's next.